Okay, so I don't know about y'all, but they do say that home is where the heart is. Okay. This was supposed to be the year of the cicada, although we get them all the time, so it's nothing new here. But short of that running, which is my air purifier, short of that running, listen as the phone goes outside. This is the weaker of my phones, but it has my jack. Door. Yeah, thank you. It has my front door. I can hear them now. So anyway, see if you can tell a difference. See that tree line? I'm hearing them from afar. Do you hear that, people? Neighborhood's all quiet. Oh, my happy Chevy. One day I'll do a glorious tour of it. It's a collectible. It's 25 years old. It's a F1. And my lovely tree and all birds, no bees. Okay. Again, can you hear that? Really, really loud. Springtime. It's 85 today.